Today I bring you slightly something different. I only speak normally about travel on my Instagram, but for traveling, even if you do it cheaply, you need money. And something that I personally do is I always try to increase my income, so doing extra things beside my job, save a lot of it, and invest it, so then I can have more income and travel more. Today I bring you this website. It's called GoParity that I use, and not only you can invest your money and earn your income, but you are actively having a very positive impact on the environment and society. For example, with my investments, I saved 32,000 tons of CO2. I generated 5 megawatts of clean energy, impacted 40 people, generated 1 job. And you have this, for example, investment tab. Let's say this project is coming soon, you can open it, it lasts 1 year, so the money would be invested 1 year. You can simulate, for example, investing 100 euros, and then you would get 526 after taxes. Okay, you don't get rich, but money with money compounds and you get more. So this is also a mindset shift that we need to have. And for example, then, like, you can see the project and read all the conditions about the project, impact it has, its viability, and the promoter. And normally they also have a document here attached explaining all the counts of the project, so that you can verify and analyze if you believe the project will be profitable. And until now I have no issue with my investments, but obviously this is something you need to analyze for yourself and decide if you want to invest. This is the document I mentioned that they don't have for you to download.